We all want to eat healthy, right? And we think that we are eating a very healthy diet. But are you? Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Kulkarni, co-founder of Arnagenics Solutions. So while we all have these misconceptions that we are actually eating very healthy, if we look at the requirements that we need for a healthy life, we do not include a lot of things that our body actually needs. What are these things? Let us first look at the core nutrients that we need. Are these included in your diet? And how do we get into a habit formation mode where we actually include all of these? Firstly, let us know about what these are. The first things to know are the macronutrients. We are talking about good quality carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates that include different forms of fiber. So we are talking about plant-based sources. Animal sources lack fiber in most ways. So we are talking about plants, fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, beans, cereals. All of these have diverse fiber. We also need to include different colors of fruits and vegetables in our diet for the rainbow diet to get all of the vitamins and minerals which are essential for good health. Then protein, lean protein can never be underestimated. I've talked about it in the previous videos, how we need that to sustain and build muscles to prevent insulin resistance, and it is also required for a lot of other functions in our body. Healthy fats. We keep avoiding fats thinking that they will lead to bad health, but we actually need healthy fats for good health. Do you have enough healthy fats in your diet? Nuts, seeds, seasonal fruits and vegetables, locally grown produce. These are just some of the things, and fermented foods to add probiotics or live germs. So how can we get into a habit of incorporating all of these in our diet? Because it seems very daunting. How do we even include all of these? So the 5 simple things that we can do is, the first one is we need to start small. We can add 1 nutrient dense food every day and then see how that makes us feel. If we do that, if we start small, it is a lot easier to build up and start incorporating all of these things that we need in our daily diet instead of just going for a big change all at once. So starting small can never be underestimated. The second important thing to do is to include a wide variety of flavors in food. If we include herbs, spices, they not only add flavor to our food, they also give a lot of micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, along with the other foods that we are using. So flavors can never be underestimated. We need to use them to eat different kinds of foods. The third thing that we need to do is to master meal prep. If we know what we are going to cook, if we have a plan for that for the entire week, we can shop accordingly, we can look for ingredients that we normally don't use, we can try out new things. And when we have the whole week planned out, we are very likely to stick to that plan. It is a lot easier to start eating healthy when we do that. The fourth thing that we can do is have somebody for accountability, maybe a family member, maybe a friend, where we can even share recipes that are very healthy, and then we can tell them that, oh, I have tried these new things today and they were amazing. So when we have these accountability partners or partner, it is a lot easier to get into any kind of habit, and eating healthy is just one of them. And the fifth thing is to celebrate or to reward ourselves when we get into this habit. Celebrate every milestone. Every healthy habit, when celebrated, gets reinforced in our subconscious mind. If you have not tried these tips, do try them today. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel.